Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you 2581 Baytown Circle in the Townhomes at Bayshore. As you can see right here, you are on a corner unit, so you do not have anyone to the right of you. So we are on the very end right here. I'm going to get to show you guys 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and just over 1,400 square feet. Off of your back patio, you walk right into the pool area, which is extremely convenient during those summertime hours. But here we are inside. So immediately we walk into this open floor plan that leads seamlessly from our kitchen to the living room area. So the kitchen is going to be tiled floors, and as you can see, the living room is going to be some vinyl plank there. So here we are, nice granite countertops, a stainless steel undermount sink, and you do have this little wraparound, which I think is fantastic for storage. I mean, look at all the cabinet space you have up above the fridge and freezer, and then all the way around. Stainless steel, built-in microwave with the smooth top electric stove and oven combo. And then of course, next to the sink is going to be your dishwasher. You do have a water spigot on your sink, as you can see there. And the sink is garbage disposal. Very nice. Tons of outlets. I always like to mention this in the videos because if you are an appliance person or like to cook, you will want those outlet spaces. So you have plenty in the kitchen there. All right, coming around the corner, this closet right here, this could technically be used as a coat closet, a pantry, a catch-all closet, cleaning closet, so it's pretty spacious and goes underneath the stairs. Finally, we are in the living room area. Last little note about the kitchen though, this is a wraparound breakfast bar, so you could absolutely put some bar stools on this side. I mean, and easily sit 6 people if you would like. All right, show you a little opposite end of the room here. Really open in this first floor plan. All right, before we go upstairs, I want to show you guys your little patio area. So you do get a concrete square out here, and then you also have a utility closet in here. Your water heater is going to be in this closet, but you also have enough space to house any outdoor utilities that you'd like. And then as you can see, you walk right out into the pool area. So I love this for the summer months, or pretty much any month that's not December and January here in Florida, because if you are having a day out at the pool, you can just conveniently come and walk right back inside for lunch or at the end of the day. And you do get a little awning over here too for some shade. So definitely notable features as far as this townhome goes. And now I'm going to take you guys upstairs. But before we get there, we are going to have our half bath. So you do have a bathroom on the first floor here, extremely convenient. So there you are, you've got your commode and a sink with that vanity lighting. So very minimal, but you have enough space for all your bathroom necessities there. All right, taking you guys upstairs. Now we are going to move to carpeted flooring on the stairs and in the bedrooms, but both full bathrooms will have some really nice tile detail. Okay, so first, as soon as you come off the landing, you are gonna be in the master bedroom. So here we are. Even though those look like 2 separate closets, it's actually in conjunction. So no matter which accordion door you open, you're going to be able to see the full length of the closet there. Definitely enough space for a dresser and chest of drawers. And you get 2 large windows that look over the pool. So if you have friends or family or middle-aged children, you'll be able to supervise from the primary. And then as I was telling you, the closet does look down all the way. So there are the other doors. And you have this long wire shelving that goes all the way across from wall to wall. Okay. And then, of course, you do have an ensuite bathroom here in the primary. So it is going to be a single vanity with the dark granite countertops that really accent the flooring nicely. See right there, so beautiful. Gonna have some nice vanity lighting up there, and then obviously the custom tiling in the tub and shower duo. A nice rain shower head, and then the rocking, as well as the dark finishes on the handles. Really, really nice. Beautiful. And this will close off from the bedroom via pocket door. So right here, there you go. So you can close yourself off for some privacy. Okay, continuing on. Before we get to the other two bedrooms, you will have your utility closet here. So behind these accordion doors, you are going to have your washer and dryer hookups, as well as some nice cabinet storage for your detergents or other laundry cleaners or anything that you need to store in here. All right. And then just parallel from the primary suite, this is going to be our second out of the 3 bedrooms. So you will have a singular window that looks out to the front yard. Again, carpeted flooring in here, and then you do have a decently sized closet. So you can tell we've got that wire shelving up above, and the closets are carpeted as well. And your next door neighbor is going to be our third and final bedroom here. Again, a single window looking out into the front yard. But this one is going to have the pull doors once again for your closet space. Wire shelving across. You could absolutely build out these closets if you would like, especially in the primary. But all in all, they are decently sized for the bedrooms. All right, and lastly, here we are in our final full bathroom. So as you can see, it is going to be a single vanity, but it is spacious. So under sink storage is quite larger than what you saw in the primary. And just around the corner, I do want to show you guys. Look at this shower. So it is going to be a shower only, but same custom tiling detail. You do have the little bench seat in there, and then these beautiful glass doors. Again, still staying on theme with the dark brassy finishes. I love that touch. Anything out of the ordinary or kind of a little bit different, I adore that as far as finishes go and lighting and all that good stuff. So again, this is 2581 Baytown Circle here in Gulf Breeze, Florida. That's a 32563. You are probably, 8 minutes from Pensacola Beach. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and just over 1,400 square feet. So beautiful. We would love for you guys to come check this one out.